Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of x here? Now solution from here, we have 4 to power x. This is equal to 40. Now to solve for the value of x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that here we will have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 40. The next step here, log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, then this follows that log 4 to power x can be expressed as x log 4. This is equal to log 40. So let's divide both sides by log 4. So here we have log 4 and log 4. So if you simplify here, we'll have that x is equal to log 40 divided by log 4. The next step is that 40 can be expressed as basically 4 times 10. So let's substitute this, then x is equal to log 4 times 10 divided by log 4. The next step is that log 4 times 10, this is in the form of log a times b. This can be expressed as log a plus log b. Now, applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have x is equal to log 4 divided by log 4, then plus log 10 divided by log 4. So log 4 and log 4 simplifies, so this is the same thing as 1, so that x will be equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 4. Now the next step from here is that we can express 10 as 5 times 2. So substituting this, we'll have x is equal to 1 plus log 5 times 2 divided by log 4. Now x is equal to 1 plus, now log 5 times 2 is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So here we have log 5 divided by log 4, then plus log 2 divided by log 4. The next step here is that we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So let's substitute this here. Now we are saying that we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. Let's substitute this so that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Now applying the power rule property here, we can transform log 2 to the power 2 as, now this is the same thing as 1 plus log 5. Log 2 to the power 2 becomes 2 log 2, then plus log 2 here divided by 2 log 2. So this implies that log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that now here we have x is equal to 1 plus, now this is the same thing as a half plus a half log 5 divided by log 2. The next step here, we have 1 plus a half, and this is the same thing as 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 divided by log 2. The next step from here, log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property so that now x is equal to 3 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2. Now, since a half is common here, we can factor out a half so that x will be equal to a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2. Now, this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now, let's verify that this value of x, which is a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 4 to power x, this should give us a value of 40. So this implies that, let's substitute the value of x so that we'll have 4 to power half into the bracket here, 3 plus log 5 to base 2. Now, this is supposed to give us a value of 40. Now, from here, we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So let's substitute 2 power 2 so that we'll have 2 to power 2 here times half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. Let's simplify here. 2 and 2 simplifies so that now we have 2 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. Now, this implies that 2 to power 3 plus log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Let's apply this exponent property so that here we'll have 2 to power 3 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 40. So here we have 2 to power 3 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. So 2 to power 3, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. So here we have 8 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 40. So 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m. This is supposed to give us a value of a. So this follows that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this should give us a value of 5. So let's substitute this. We have 8 times 2 to power log 5 to base 2 is equal to 5. Now this should give us a value of 40. So that implies that 8 times 5, this is 40. And that implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, the value of x, which essentially is equal to, a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe. See you in the next video.